Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Roslai, and today, we're diving into something truly exciting, how to use FLUX AI without limits completely free of charge. Imagine having a powerhouse AI tool at your fingertips, ready to unleash your creativity and transform your ideas into art, content, or even practical tools without worrying about limits or fees. This video is a game changer, whether you're a content creator, a designer, or just curious about AI. So stick around because I'll be sharing pro tips, insider hacks, and a special way to get the most out of FLUX AI without paying a cent. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with anyone who needs to know the power of AI tools like FLUX. Let's grow this community and make sure no one misses out on the latest AI trends. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and stay till the end because I've got a surprise bonus strategy that will unlock an entirely new level of creative potential for you with FLUX AI. Let's jump in. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick intro to FLUX AI. FLUX AI is a cutting-edge generative AI platform that's built to help you create images, edit content, and explore creative possibilities all in one place. Think of it as your creative studio on demand, always ready to help you bring your ideas to life. In recent months, it's gained massive popularity for its simplicity and incredible features. It's similar to other AI platforms but with some unique twists, especially when it comes to getting the most out of it for free. So let's look at why FLUX is worth your attention and how it's different from other AI tools out there. First things first, let's take a tour of FLUX AI's interface. It's incredibly user-friendly, which makes it perfect for beginners and experts alike. When you open the app, you'll see the main dashboard with a few tabs. We've got the Generate tab, where the magic happens. This is where you can type in prompts, choose styles, and watch FLUX AI bring your ideas to life. Then there's the Explore tab, where you can browse work from other creators for inspiration. Lastly, the Settings tab lets you control your account and check out some key tips for using the app. Let's walk through each section in detail so you feel confident when it's time to start creating. Now, let's set up your account. It's quick, easy, and most importantly, free. Head to the FLUX AI website, enter your email, and follow the simple steps to verify and log in. Once you're in, you'll be using a free account, but don't worry, I'll show you some ways to make the most of it. One of the best hacks is enabling notifications, which can alert you to any new updates or features that become available for free. FLUX AI often has bonus access periods, and with notifications on, you won't miss these opportunities. Let's talk next about how to use your free account without hitting usage limits. Here's where things get fun. Let's talk about maximizing FLUX AI usage without any cost. With the free version, you might face usage limits, but there are some tricks to work around that. One tip is to be strategic with your prompts. Instead of running multiple prompts to refine an image, start with a strong idea and make small tweaks instead. Additionally, you can save and reuse images. Instead of starting from scratch every time, consider using previous creations as a base to build on new ideas. This will save credits and help you create more efficiently. Prompt engineering is key when working with FLUX AI, especially if you are aiming for unique, high-quality images. Think of a prompt as your creative blueprint. The more specific and descriptive, the better the results. Let's try a few examples together. For instance, instead of just typing sunset, try a more descriptive prompt like, vibrant sunset over a mountain range with purple and pink hues. The difference in results is huge. You can even add elements like, inspired by digital art style, or, surreal lighting, to guide FLUX AI even further. This skill alone will elevate your creations and help you stand out. Next, let's dive into some advanced features that are typically paid but can be accessed creatively on a free plan. FLUX AI allows you to try things like batch generation or style filters, which are ideal if you want consistent themes. To get around payment barriers, try experimenting with FLUX's daily free offers. For example, FLUX AI occasionally lets free users test advanced features for a limited period, so keeping an eye on these events can give you temporary access to Pro Tools. Always check the notifications tab for these offers. Let's look at some real-life applications of FLUX AI. The possibilities are endless. Use FLUX AI to design social media content, develop logos, or even create digital art to sell on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Here's a popular example. Social media influencers use FLUX AI to generate eye-catching posts without spending hours on design. Small businesses are also using it for quick product mock-ups, which look professional and can help boost sales. FLUX AI gives you the power to bring your ideas to life in minutes. Like any tool, FLUX AI isn't without its hiccups. Sometimes you might face issues with image quality or rendering speeds. But don't worry, I'll walk you through some quick fixes to keep things running smoothly. If image quality is low, try adjusting the resolution settings or using a different style filter. For slow rendering, double-check your internet connection or try using FLUX during non-peak hours. And if your prompt is causing errors, simplify the description or remove special characters that might interfere with the AI. Alright, that brings us to the end of our FLUX AI journey. You're now equipped to use this powerful tool completely free, maximize its features, and create incredible designs. As promised, here's a bonus tip for sticking around. Try using FLUX AI with external tools like Canva or Photoshop. Export your FLUX creations and give them extra polish, or mix multiple images into one collage. This workflow will help you elevate your artwork even further. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. I'm Rosli, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!